Samsung's follow-up software to the One UI 8 will be a major update with new design and AI features. New camera features have been discovered in the leaked One 8.5 build that will bring some pro-level capabilities to the Galaxy phone. Samsung introduced the option to shoot log videos with the S25 series, which is now trickled down to the S24 Ultra with the One UI 7 update. The company made editing the video very easy by adding LUT, that is lookup table options in One UI 8.5 stock video option editor. The setting was discovered inside leaked One UI 8.5 build by Akhor_HM on X, and he shared the video about it. Log videos usually are flat and gray, allowing a precise color correction in post-production. LUT are presets that change the look of the video in log, similar to that of applying filters on photo. The clip on the setting on One UI 8.5 shows different LUTs include standard, blockbuster, trailer, and romantic comedy. Another feature that will be accessible is shooting 3D videos and photos. Now an extra app, but at the rate of laid back dev on X, found reference to 3D capture and advanced professional video inside the codec of One UI 8.5 camera app. Part of the code suggests certain limitation to the 3D shooting. One of them is that it may only work with wide-angle lens, and the app would warn you that there is not enough light to take the photo. You will not be able to shoot GIF or burst photo with 3D mode active. As for the APV format, it may be showing up in the gallery app with the option to convert APV video to HEVC. Some of the older devices should get it. Samsung will use it to promote Galaxy S26 series as a better tool for shooting and editing professional grade video. Apple already does it with the iPhone 17 series, so it's only natural for Samsung to copy them. Considering the looming Project Mohan premiere, it is not a surprise that Samsung would make shooting videos and photos for it easier. Apple is also pushing spatial video, photos, and audio to make people believe that they're making content directly for the Vision Pro.